Okay, so here we are, 2 weeks old. Sorry the light's not the greatest, but it's getting to be kind of 7 o'clock, so everyone's asleep. Someone's hiding under there. So let's see if we can get Mom to come in here and wake them up a little bit. Come on, Spark, come in. See the babies. Wake the babies up. Good girl. Can you wake the babies up? Good girl. There you go. Oh, see, now we're waking up. Now the bumper car action is going to start. There we go. Hey, Spark. Spark. Spark, come this way, honey. This way, baby. Spark, come this way so we can see the babies. Good. There we go. Check them out moving now. See if we can get down to Super Puppy Cam here. There we go. I know, you're taking good care of them babies. Keeping them clean. They know Mama's here, that's for sure. Okay, let's see if we can wake up. Spark, this way, honey. Come on out, big man. Wake up too. I'm getting too big to fit in there. Have mercy. There we go. Everybody's up now. There we go. Good girl, honey. Thank you. There we go. Everybody's awake now. And as you can see, the whelping box is spotless, as are the puppies, and you can see why, because Mom is in here taking care of them all the time, and these babies are absolutely just spotless. As you can see, she's cleaning yet another puppy. And these guys are up and tottering, and their eyes are going to be opening this week. Carly, quiet. You can see why I call it bumper car action.